the many high-tech ways how Anja Drewes Properties market your home. In today's market, it is important to go the extra mile to sell your home and market it smart. Besides the traditional method like using the local MLS, HIR, Zillow, Realtor.com, Trulia, Homes.com and more, having open houses, yard sign, postcards and networking with buyers agents. But what sets us apart is that we've done our homework. We don't just say we're high-tech, we live and we breathe it. Starting with high-end photography, video and drone pictures and videos for our listings. We add landing pages and ads on social media to engage with our buyers. Our for sale signs have code texting sign writers. Let me show it how that works. I hope you enjoyed the tour. This is Anja with Anja Drewes Properties. Bye.